What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today I'm coming back with another major DogeCoin update video for you guys. And in this video, guys, going to be talking about the DogeCoin father himself, Elon Musk, in a recent tweet that he just came out with that definitely shot up DogeCoin's price to this 40-cent range that we're currently seeing right now. And I'm also going to be talking about the largest DogeCoin holder and his recent activities this week. So, guys, before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock and crypto videos every week about the best stock and crypto going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also, guys, I just opened up a free Discord with a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. It's free to join. Like I said, we offer the best stock callouts every morning, talk about stocks all day, and also offer one-on-one training to help you guys better tackle the market. So on that note, guys, let's get back into this video about Dogecoin. So guys, today we saw the Doge Father himself, Elon Musk, tweet about Dogecoin, and it definitely shot up Dogecoin to the price that we're seeing at around the 40-cent range right now. And guys, from this article from CNBC, as you guys can see here, the price of Dogecoin spiked on Thursday after Tesla CEO Elon Musk mentioned the coin on Twitter, adding another chapter to the volatile history of the cryptocurrency that started as a joke. The price of the digital coin was up more than 11% to 40 cents in the midday trading hours after the first tweet Elon Musk sent. How much is Dogecoin in the window? Tweeted Elon Musk on Thursday morning. And as you guys can see here, if we zoom in closely, you guys can see that it's a dollar bill with a Dogecoin logo in the middle of it. So he's thinking, or he's shouting out that he's thinking that Dogecoin could potentially go to that dollar price point that everyone's been hoping for and predicting for the longest time now. And he said that in a later reply that he hasn't and won't sell any of his Dogecoin. So guys, we know Elon Musk is a firm holder of Dogecoin and a believer that Dogecoin is going to the moon and hitting that dollar price point. And I do believe that Elon Musk is someone that you do not bet against. Even Bill Gates, when he shorted Tesla, he was actually one of the #1 shorters of Tesla back when Tesla was first starting. And guys, now look at Tesla. So when you're investing in Dogecoin, you're basically investing in the people who are basically hyping it up and backing it up, such as Elon Musk and Mark Cuban, and that's why I'm investing in Dogecoin. And guys, on top of that, we know Elon Musk is going to be sending a Dogecoin rocket to the moon with his SpaceX company, and that's going to be happening sometime in 2022. Alongside of that, Musk, who also talks and posts about Dogecoin frequently, said earlier this month that he was going to be working with developers to improve the cryptocurrency. So guys, that is massive. We know that a lot of companies now and a lot of other websites are taking Dogecoin as a means of payment, such as the Dallas Mavericks, even some MLB teams. You can actually go to a KFC in Canada and buy KFC with Dogecoin. So guys, Dogecoin is actually becoming a means of currency that people are actually using to spend. And the fact that Elon Musk is looking to improve the cryptocurrency means that we're going to be seeing some big things heading in from Dogecoin in the future, guys. Now guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But for educational purposes only, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my personal technical analysis of what I think Dogecoin is going to be doing heading into the future. So as you guys can see here, in my last video yesterday, I mentioned that 35 cents was going to be a major support level for Dogecoin. And as you guys can see here, it did break at one point, but recovered very well. And I also said that Dogecoin in the 30-cent range, as you guys can see when we pull back the charts, does happen to recover very well in the 30-cent range. Anytime it dips down there is a large amount of volume of buyers that comes in and they pick it up right away. As you can see here, when it dipped to 22 cents, it only dipped for a second and then popped right back up to trade and consolidate above 35-cent line. Then again, it dipped here. People picked it up real quick, came back to consolidate above the 35-cent line, going upwards to retest the 40 cents resistance, which we broke and are currently trying to hold consolidation above this new support line. So guys, going to the future, what we're hoping, as you can see here, I drew a line, a tight consolidation going upwards like we saw here from the 35-cent line to the 40-cent line. So another tight consolidation like that to retest this 45-cent or 50-cent resistance line. And if we break the 50-cent resistance line, guys, then we're definitely going to be shooting back up to retest this next resistance line here at the 55-cent line. So guys, I am really having big hopes for Dogecoin heading into the future. And as you guys can see here from this article, the number one Dogecoin whale who owns over 15 billion of the cryptocurrency just bought another 420 69-cent coins. So guys, that is huge. He's just basically showing that he is still active and saying that the account is not just sitting dormant, that he is actually keeping up with this new news of Dogecoin and is not afraid of selling his Dogecoin, or I'm sorry, not afraid of holding on to his Dogecoin when Dogecoin is dipping like this. So guys, this right here is just another big catalyst for Dogecoin in my opinion, heading into the future. So guys, like I mentioned earlier, if we can just hold consolidation above the 40-cent line, then that's going to be a really good sign that we could potentially just keep going up and seeing Dogecoin break these other resistance levels upward at the 45 cents and 50-cent range. So guys, if you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys think about Dogecoin heading into the future. So on that note guys, good luck in your trading session tomorrow, and Dogecoin to the moon.